I might have just found one of the laziest beard hacks ever. All you're gonna need is a normal trimmer and a foil shaver. Look at my neck.
See all that scruff here?
Let's see just how bald we can get this.
Step 1 complete. Dang, dude. It looks rough down there.
I need to put some aftershave on.
Shit.
But
It is pretty smooth. Here's a before. Here's an after.
are you getting rid of your shavers? No. But in a pinch, we're looking all right. Anyways, electric only. Oh, fuck.